Okay, this is the 1 Day color from Herbishh Care. I love Herbishh. I actually have the burgundy shampoo color in my hair. I've been using Herbishh for about 5 years. They've been sponsoring me for that long, and I love it. Use them every time. So thank you so much for sending this to me to review. I really do appreciate it. Now this is kind of cool. All you got to do is just give it a really good shake. Give it a really good shake, and then you're going to spray it in your hair. Now, because I already have the burgundy, this pink is coming out a little bit more red, but you can see the streak here in my hair. Because I don't have a mirror, it's kind of a little bit haphazard, but you style your hair like normal afterwards, and it doesn't really rub out. It just stays right there. It's pretty cool. So you can just do 1 day color in your hair, or a streak, or just some of it. And they've got a bunch of different colors to choose from, which is kind of fun. So just to have a little pop of color in your hair for the day. Great stuff, and it just washes right out. So again, thank you so much, Herbishh. You guys are awesome. Keep it coming.